Ebunge Partition make the movable, operable partition with more possibilities options. The panels have strong aluminum frame to achieve greater heights, straight lines, and sealability, with the design versatility of a wide variety of acoustical and decorative face constructions. Available in 3-inch and 4-inch partition wall thicknesses. Height can be up to 13 meters. Place the hanging wheels after the track installation. We always hanging the panels from the active track beside the parking area, and make the maintenance easy from the active track position.